gift of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Yeah, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time I see this video. On my WhatsApp group, somebody was asking me today how to how you can still use Cowries to know yes or no. Okay, yes, this question is important, so that's why I'm attending to it, because there are some things you need to do. Maybe you are not a seer, so you actually need direction. Maybe you are a seer, you actually need direction. So all you need to do is maybe you can use this to find out what you want to do. Like maybe you want to go out, or maybe you are planning to go somewhere. You want to know whether you should go or you should not go. So this video is just based on how you can use Cowries to know yes or no. Okay, so at least you will not just make mistake, or you will not find yourself in a big shit. Okay, or maybe there's a girl that you want to sleep with and you don't want to be sure of what is coming up. So you can just ask, okay, this person, should I sleep with her? So person, what's the name? Should I sleep with her? You throw it. So by the time it shows, it turns something like this. You can see this one now. It turn up. This one turn up. This one turn off. Okay, so the three turns off, which means even if I do that, even if the person is evil, there's nothing that will attack me. So this one means laughter, everything is fine, there's no evil there. But this one is meaning there's no evil something you are going to do, as in you don't have any game mind you are going to do. Okay, remember I just throw it. But if you do, if it turns like this, okay, let me see, it turns back like this. So this turns back, it turns back like this, means yes. When it turns back like this, it means yes. 100% yes. So when it turns back, two turns back and one turn back like this, it means it's other probability that this something might happen, something might likely not happen. But so this one is 80% yes. Okay, but by the time it turns like this, only one turns back, it means 100% no. This means 100% no. So by the time all they turn back like this and one turn like this also means 100% no. Okay, and when you are saying it, that the direction of the faces of it matters a lot. Like, okay, maybe I want to know if this also person love me, I will call the person's name, they throw it. So by the time you throw this now, which means yes, this person, if by the time you throw it now, you can see it now, I throw it. I ask somebody in my I ask about somebody in my own mind. So that this is it. So what they are telling me now is that yes, this person even love me more than the way me I love her. That's why you see her facing me like this, which means she love me so dearly. You understand? I mean that more than even the way me I love her. So this means yes, this person love me. You can see two turns back now, right? The direction of the face is, remember I told you, if it turns like this up side is a guy, it means a man. Why this back like this means a girl. So this is it, okay? Which means she's ready to leave her family for me. Do you get it, Abby? So maybe I'm asking, should I travel? Should I travel home? Let me ask you now, should I travel home? Then I throw it. Okay. By the time I throw it like this, you see, two turn back, two turn front, one turn back, which means I should not travel. This is a journey I should not travel. I should not travel to my hometown for now. That's what they're telling me now. You can see these two sides now facing like this, these two sides now facing like this. Okay, so anything me traveling now, they're telling me I should not travel. Okay, so assume they all turn like this now. They all turn like this now, which means yes, I should travel 100% yes. So when they talk back now, this means 100% yes. They agree that everything is perfect. Whenever they all turn back like this, it means 100% yes. Okay, so anytime you ask of something, some turn like this, turn like this, 100% yes. If you turn like this, most times, sometimes also means 100% no. It's fine whether yes or not, but they are not advising you to do it. So these are just simple to know yes or no. So anything you don't understand, ask question in the comment section, then I'll definitely get back to you. You can see this tool and native chalk, as I always say before you use Cowries to consult. Okay, always use your finger to put the native to give them the native chalk like this. It's very important. They keep it. If it is somebody you want to check for, you can give them this stone, or you can use the stone for yourself. Hold this stone, then you talk on the stone, then use it to hit them before you ask question. Then you cannot throw it. Okay, see number. So the faces of them matters a lot. Okay, see you guys in the next video.